Kalempung yele ki watip kam ka 6 Mikhalia Games araja arpausan ni kejanmit dapoi cawakun hak yelang penhap perda wada penman hak yang nang ba stadium jawai hai emlang usembut menteri rang ba ke sorkar jala usnya bahalang dhar wada man kam ukangsan kam ju MLA ke tujuai wailat miki shella wa kiwi hagani kejanmit demi le daki hajar ngut ki wachim benta hagani ke Mikhalia Games kam ju le ki hajar ngut ki pajba wawan sakhi yakani ke yelang pengkun wailat miki hawi iklam da ongu wakat tu da ye wo ong wakani kelempung man ko job de wa pensngau ye kemen mensenu wo ye ubu ya ka param wosa kan mo da ye ro we da sngaw u ye waro ki wada penman ya ka Mikhalia Games ko job nei baha he por wo penbana wo penman ya kelempung hajwai da perkhat wa man i we baha wo palai ba ya ka tang wade ya kre lang yong waro da poi hadu ni kesngi Cucu da ongu wada ye lekat wa ye wa pendap ye waduna waro tang wa emkam ukso ye wabha kam tam umat ye ki bam jaintia kam ijado we dok kle ne bha awalai carilum karu umdam de i wo bam ye nakam hagani kejanmit da pengkuk buram le ye ukam tre sumer wa penwandur ya umaskot wa tip kam ukyang kam ju ki wachna wa ki warwai ye sur nyam be naphang iwaman isur yong gani ke lempung de lang ka music video usnya bahalang dahar de ikubleu ya warok ki wapen man ya kelempung ka wajab kham tam ya wailat miki shella wa umantri kacnat sports and youth affair usha clear warjri de ikubleu le ya ka sorkar wada jit ya ka West Jaintia Hill district wa open man ya kani kelempung ya le ki wanru de wa ong le wadaw ye updiang wat ya ka national games Hayato wa ka 7 Mikhalia Games de pentibu wampu penbana hewan open man ya ka nei daw wadang yakun wa wanra ya ka national games hapo ka jala house name araja arpau nyau Wei wo yi ule ye ni daw chimpor hadu arsnem i pengkre. Cucu da ongu wa kemenu wo yo wa ki kena na ki lebenta ka jala wo wan lang ki cerup wo chimbenta ha kani kelempung. Da ongu le wa ha ka jala mto wo penman don hi ya kelempung tang wa wo penwandur ya kemenrit ki kena ka wamian. Da sngaw u ya ki bachong chnong wana du was dang hadu ni kasngi MEV wa le ithut de i khublei ya ki chnong wa da kre lang wa ka sorkar wa man kelempung ka wajam. Ya inam best athlete hak athletics da job da akademika arlengdo na West Jaintia Hills kadwa ki cenrang wan da yo u Henry Yoka isang mana not Karo Hills. Inam second runner up da lai chak ribhoi ka wayo chispa sotali kita kama ka first runner up to ka West Jaintia Hills ka wayo chispa apratali kita kama kadwa inam job na mo ki overall champion da lai I chak East Khasi Hills ka wada yo lespa prap hawi tali kita kama. Dapen po ya kani kejanmit da kirwai ki video yang kani kelempung kam ju item DJ wa ithang bom kala.
Hakapor ba ngidan mention snem kum chef division jongga East Kasil bangidan mention snem hat po kanong ba atura hang tai Karo Hills hakapor ba penbena ba kani ka 6 Mikhalia game kanwan po juai ngar kum wei ubalehi ba kani ka na rikasin tai ngasgo banong ngadan kada ka jing suir ada ka jing perkhat ba hato ka west ka juai ka West Jaintia kalamo ban ho sigani ka game te hemre kumba mapiru phi ngathai phi kinyo phi nervous la kata ngaru ngaseptieng te tat onda ngalapoi hakani ka snong ka jong phi lengba ka 6 Mikhalia game ngayo iba kalau ka jing kermen sikadai ya ka lawei nomor ba pilong ge bala biang nadong sedong ban hus ya kenika ya kenika 6 Mikhalia game bat nakaliang jongi ngimdan kono jing complain jing ujur pilong ru ge ba ka jasa ka babit biang ka bam ki dining hall ge bala penbiang nang tapat ngsutenar banong ba idan ipor bengilai ngiyo banik bam sa kidukan ya ka jing bam Jaintia ka jongpi denoro kataru ipor ba light por ngiyo banwan sigi jaka kebadanam jong suntuk siar yalong nartiang batkui gi jaka kermen ba kum kanika 6 Mikhalia game ba pilong pilayo ka experience what ba ngam idu dan kata ka jingdo jingremen balada ka national game ka wan hang ni nalor ka silong kidan katu ka ni game ru gi bala istura bat mafi na West Jaintia ru pilong ki balala hi ban hos katu ka ni teligi disiplin jong national game kabakan ni sorkar jela ka jongi hapo ka jalam do kontrat sangma ubala invest bun ba ya ka sports and youth affairs kalau ka jing invest ka badai ba ka jing mentoy na mantaki kon samla ka jongi na mantak lawai jong kon samla ka jongi ta ba khendiat na kaliang ka jonga
We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. Future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. Future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll keep on fighting, 'cause that's who we are. We are the future, and we'll keep on fighting.
Nak kalian kujung ni lukum ki pinong job mo ya kini ka 6 million game ni represent ya ke is kasil ni ai kublai ya pi kila pasai kubor ki bara ya ki kubor kujung pi sakeleng ke jaka jong gari wa e jongi gari kasi bar kunjo ka gari me kelia bro ko we tik ni do nak ni kupor ban ai kublai ya ka West Jaintia Hills district hi baro ko we kinong yalam hang hakani na du district administrator baro ko ki bar khamtam ka sport department bad ya sarkar hi baro ko we po kecing yalam jong chief minister ba badan buram jengi Konrad Sangma baling ba kecing tre sitom jong ula sabat tolong ya kani ka megala game ke job akan dikecaka ke jongi hari Jaintia bar sisa ya aku play kena ya kini ki nong Jaintia ke jongi kufa nomor bagi kila priang sisa nadu ke mensim nomor jongi bar sisa ada kecing priang ke toki iyo saban banilya kemen baru ban pendek ya kini ka tournament ya kini ka game ke jongi dak job detai tai ku play sibun bar nginget scam rupa hagi snem ki banwan ru ikipilenti baka sarkar kanang trash tom ban kentiyo ya sport ke kena lamba ka kejela ka tungi kapkiyo ampai kirwei kiliang rek haka khamta baka sport kamar baka sport tungi hapo kejela ki kena kejon ke potential ban boy sadu sakmat ban yakun adu ke national ban international level titang tagitin kubun
kan kumbalong menta sagawai ka greatest achievement joka state kejongi hapo katukan ni menai ngin construct ka football stadium hamokanu berhak knowledge city the biggest football stadium in the country kan sedang no Asian Kamslem show kadai no kum sebentar ka gift ya ki yod ki jongi sakawero ki fokus hakiliang baro ki sport nadoka football nadoka cricket belum major handai ni sio sorong banong hagani kemikali adin don katukan ni ki district kilapan sim kan kumbuki singau bet iklan bo sarsun iklan bo kanu ke pressure sakawai kan mau ha iklan bangawai ke tau dan bikin mau hakatu kasi bidon ka opening ceremony chief minister Ujongi na mapadan ki bajo bu diklina when is and where the next Mikhail again hane ko abani ko kat kumulong menta ngimpat dikinaban perlong naman iya fight banwanra ya national game hawara jar arhoniao hagastit ke jongi dai na kata kadaw ngimpat declare ya next Mikhail again namar tulingi yo man host ya national game don kaman kre minimum Arsenal steng banglong ke sukses kumgi sukses hagani Mikhail again jongi.
My name is Janvi Chetri and I'm a boxer and I came from East Khasi Hill. This was my first time in 6 Meghalaya Games, but it was a very good experience. And I just want to say, like, whatever you're doing, whatever you're playing, studying, whatever, just be dedicated to it, you know? And like, just be like, you know, you should focus on one thing, whatever you're doing. It was my first time, but still I won bronze, but I won good, but it's okay. We got the championship, overall championship, everything. We're so happy to get the championship. Good. We hope next year also we'll get, I'm sure we'll get, but we still hope for the best. Thank you. The people here, West Jaintia Hills, are very kind-hearted. Even the volunteers from here, they were so good. They speak with us very kindly. Whatever we need, they'll be like, wait, 5 minutes, we are there. We'll be bringing for you everything. Like, so good here. Even the environment is so clean and.
So hi everyone, we are from East Khasi Hills and we are boxers and these are our medals, and here we are now in West Jaintia Hills, Jawai. About this Jawai, the environment, everything is very good. The programs, the events and the sitting arrangements are very good. Foods are very good and all the things are very good. Government, our volunteers, everyone is very good, and thank everyone that they welcome us and they provide everything to us, and thank you very much, and hope so we will come again in this district again and we will give our best again. Thank you.